Okay, good morning, everyone. Today, I would like to teach you, of course. And before I start, let's pray by saying Panganjali Umat, Om Swastiastu. Okay. First, before I start, and I ask you what is the topic of this class. So I would like to show you a videos. Yeah, a video here, and please enjoy the video first.
You're hired. Two words everybody loves to hear. But before we hear these words comes the interview. Today's video is part one in a series that's all about preparing for a job interview. This is part one of a 5-part series on preparing for an interview. Interviewing for a new job can be a huge source of stress and anxiety. And if you're interviewing for a job in a non-native language, the stress can be even higher. In this video, you'll see me interview for a job. Throughout the interview, we'll discuss some of the most common interview questions and how to answer them. You'll also learn some basic information to get you started on creating your own answers to these questions. Let's begin.
Hello, Ms. Smith. I'm Tom Kelly. Thanks so much for coming in.
It's my pleasure. Thanks so much for meeting with me.
Of course. Did you have any trouble finding the office?
Small talk. Most interviews will start out with a handshake and some small talk. This may include questions about how you're doing, your travel to the interview, the weather, how your weekend went, and more. All you need to do is be polite and friendly. Keep your answers short. You can also feel free to turn the question back to the interviewer. For instance, if the interviewer asks you how your weekend was, you might respond, "It was great. We celebrated my mom's birthday. How was your weekend?" Small talk is used to build a more comfortable environment before the interview begins. It may seem silly, but you can practice small talk on your own by asking yourself simple, easy to answer, non-personal questions. You could also practice with a friend. Here's an example of small talk. How are you doing? I'm great, thank you. And you? How are you doing? I'm doing really well. It's such a nice day out there. It is. It was perfect weather all weekend. It was. Did you do anything interesting over the weekend? Yes, I went to the park with my family for a picnic. That sounds nice. It was. And you? I worked this weekend, but I got a lot done, so that was good. It does feel good to get work done. You can see we haven't said much of importance, but the conversation is friendly and open and can make two people feel more comfortable in each other's presence.
Hello, Ms. Smith. I'm Tom Kelly. Thanks so much for coming in.
It's my pleasure. Thanks so much for meeting with me.
Of course. Did you have any trouble finding the office?
Nope, the directions on the website were great.
Good. Would you like some water or coffee before we begin?
I'm okay, thank you.
All right. So, to get started, why don't you tell me a little bit about yourself?
Sure. Common question. Tell me a little bit about yourself. It's very common for interviewers to simply ask you to tell them about yourself. That can feel overwhelming, but don't worry. What they really want you to focus on is your education and work history. You can also let them know what areas you have a lot of experience in or what your interests are when answering this question. Here are a few different ways to begin your answer. I studied at Harvard University and graduated in 2012 with a degree in business. I've been working at Smith Incorporated for 10 years as a manager. I have 12 years of experience in graphic design. Because of my time at Verizon, I have a lot of experience in providing customer service. If you're preparing for an interview, practice talking about yourself and your work history. Record yourself with a video camera if possible. Make sure it's not.
Okay, so I'll stop. I stop the videos because I would like to ask you the first. Do you know what is the topic that we will discuss today? So you can see. Okay, so we will discuss about job interview. In the last 2 weeks, I mean 2 meetings before, we have learned how to write an application letter. Yeah. So continued by how to do job interview. Yeah. Because after you graduate from this school, you must get your job. Yeah. So there are some tips, for your job interview, and also what is the common question, for your job interview. All right. First, what is job interview? So you can read here, job interview is a conversation which occurs between the potential employer and job applicant. Jadi di sini kita bisa lihat job interview itu apa. Yang bingung kemarin application letter, setelah after you send your application letter, setelah kalian mengirimkan application letternya kalian, of course nanti akan ada tindak lanjut yaitu job interview. What is job interview? Job interview is a conversation which occurs between potential employer. Di sini bisa HRD or the manager, ya tergantung perusahaan tersebut, and job applicant. Job applicant-nya adalah kalian, of course, ya. And then during the job interview, the employer hopes to determine whether or not the applicant is suitable for the job. Jadi di sini si employer menentukan kira-kira si applicant ini cocok atau tidak dengan jobnya. Ya, so it's chance to you, ya. Ini kesempatan untuk kalian untuk hire for this job, ya. And then next, okay, what should we do to do the job interview? Apa saja sih yang harus kalian lakukan before you do your job interview? First, you must practice and prepare. What does it mean? Practice and prepare. Of course, before you start, apalagi kalian kan fresh graduated, ya. Fresh graduated, baru pertama kali do your job interview. Of course, kalian harus practice dulu. Okay, review the typical job interview question, employers ask, and practice your answer. Jadi bisa di rumah dulu practice and prepare it. Prepare-nya bagaimana? Okay, thinking about the common question, or you can find or search what is the common question in your job interview. Kira-kira seperti apa sih common question? Pertanyaan-pertanyaan umum yang muncul ketika kalian melakukan job interview. Itu yang pertama, practice and prepare. And then the second is develop a connection with the interviewer. Di sini terjadi ketika kalian melakukan job interview. Okay, develop a connection, bangun koneksi, ya, dengan yang menginterview kalian. In addition to indicating what you know about the company. Nah, di sini ada kaitannya nanti for the next. Di sini untuk mengindikasikan, untuk membangun koneksi dengan interviewer, jadi kalian harus menunjukkan, ya, kalau kalian mengetahui tentang that company and that job, ya, pekerjaan itu dan perusahaan tersebut kalian ketahui. And then, next, research the company and show what you know. Nah, ini kita masuk ke pertanyaan nanti. Ada common question, biasanya pertanyaan umum yang muncul ketika kalian melakukan job interview itu adalah, what do you know about this company? Nah, kalau pertanyaan seperti itu, of course, you must search first. Kira-kira perusahaan yang kalian lamar itu seperti apa? Tempat kalian melamar itu seperti apa? For example, you want to send an application letter to a hotel, and then you must know. Kalian harus tahu bagaimana di sana. Oke, dari mana? You must find from the internet. Jadi itu yang harus pertama kalian lakukan, ya. And then get ready ahead of time. What does it mean? Ya, don't wait until the last minute to pick out an interview outfit. Jadi semua harus kalian siapkan. Not only the question, outfitnya juga. Jangan lupa juga dokumen yang harus kalian bawa, print extra copies of your resume, of course, ya. Itu harus kalian siapkan. Or find a notepad and pen. Jadi kalian bisa buat listnya, ya. Apa yang kira-kira saya butuhkan? Ya. Jadi kalian tidak bingung ketika kalian melakukan job interview, oh saya kurang ini. Jadi seperti itu ya. And next, be on time. Okay, that's mean early. Berarti, of course, dimanapun, kapanpun pekerjaan kalian, be on time. Ya, for this interview, be on time means 5 to 10 minutes early. Jadi kalau misalnya interviewnya, kalian diminta datang in 10 o'clock misalnya in the morning, datangnya 5 to 10 minutes early. Atau mungkin sebelum itu ya, 5-10 menit sebelumnya itu kalian sudah ada di sana. You are ready for your job interview. Jangan sampai employer-nya nanti menunggu kalian. And next, try to stay calm. Okay. During the job interview, try to relax, ya. Try to relax and stay as calm as possible. Yeah. Don't forget your body language says as much about you, ya, as your answer to the question. Jadi di sini selama job interview apa yang harus kalian perlihatkan? You still relax, jadi kan harus tetap relax and stay calm. Karena why? Because your body language says as much about you. Jadi body language-nya kalian akan memperlihatkan kalian. Do you confident? Have you prepared it? Apa kalian sudah menyiapkannya? Itu akan terlihat dari body language-nya kalian. And then follow up after the interview. Okay, if you finish the interview, don't forget to follow up with thank you. Ya, with thank you di sini. Follow up-nya. You can also include any details you may have forgotten to mention during the interview. Bisa juga ditambahkan dengan details yang mungkin kamu lupakan ketika kalian menyebutkan menjawab pertanyaan ketika interview. Alright, next is the most common interview question. Ya, and answer kira-kira seperti apa? Ini ada bayangannya kira-kira what should I do? Or what is the common question and what should the answer of the question in job interview? Like that. First, yang paling sering kita lihat tadi juga saya putar setengah. After this you can check ya. Nanti saya akan share juga video yang tadi. Jadi kalian bisa tonton sampai habis dan video-video lain mungkin saya akan share kembali. Di sini ada common question-nya. Yang pertama tadi kan bisa lihat, tell me about yourself. Tell me about yourself. Nah, itu pertanyaan yang pertama. It's so simple sepertinya ya. Ini adalah hal yang simple seperti, tapi dari awal ini kita bisa melihat bagaimana cara kalian menjawab di sana. So it can determine ya. So the employer can decide it by the first one. Ya, dengan yang ini yang pertama. Okay, tell me about yourself. This is one of the first question you are likely to be asked. Ini selalu pertama kalian akan dengarkan. Be prepared to talk about yourself. Jangan sampai kalian mengucapkan atau ditanyakan tentang diri kalian sendiri, itu masih gugup, apalagi the next question, kan seperti itu jadinya. Okay, be prepared to talk about yourself and why you are an ideal candidate for the job. Jadi pikirkan itu. Apa yang harus saya jawab ketika pertanyaannya adalah tell me about yourself. Nah, prepare to talk about yourself. Jadi persiapkan diri kalian untuk kalian berbicara tentang diri kalian dan juga kenapa sih kalian cocok dengan this job, with this job. And then what they want to know. Sebenarnya apa sih yang mereka ketahui? The interviewer want to know why you are an excellent fit to this job ya. Jadi the interviewer ya, si orang yang menginterview ini pengen tahu kenapa sih kalian tuh cocok untuk job ini. Ya, try to answer question about yourself without giving too much. Jadi jangan lupa jangan terlalu banyak. Yang kalian tell me about yourself, jangan terlalu banyak. Without giving too much or little or too little, jangan juga terlalu sedikit ya. Okay, personal information di sana boleh kalian sharing di sana. You can start by sharing some of your personal interest. Bisa dimulai dengan your personal interest ya. Kalian tertarik dengan apa secara pribadi? Your experiences, pengalaman kalian that walaupun tidak related direct to work, pengalaman yang walaupun tidak related directly to the work, such as favorite hobby misalnya. Contohnya di sana a brief account where you grew up, your education, and what's motivate you. Apa yang memotivasi Anda. So you can even share some fun facts. Jadi di sana ada fakta yang lucu, boleh kalian tambahkan. Showcase your personality to make the interview a little more interesting. Nah, di sini kalian harus membangun membangun image yang membuat si interviewer ini itu tertarik dengan kalian. Ya, tidak hanya dijawab seperti biasa saja. Jangan lupa without giving too much and also too little. Jangan terlalu banyak dan jangan terlalu sedikit. And then, why do you want this job? Nah, kira-kira kenapa kalian mau pekerjaan ini? Why are you a good fit for the position? Kenapa sih kalian cocok dengan posisi ini? What would you accomplish if you hired? Nah, apa yang kalian lakukan ketika kalian diterima? Then the question is opportunity to show the interviewer what you have to offer the company-nya. Di sini apa yang kalian tawarkan kepada company? Ya, kenapa sih kalian pantas untuk diberikan pekerjaan ini? Itu yang ada di pertanyaan kedua. Why do you want this job? Okay. And then, what they want to know. Apa yang mereka ingin ketahui sebenarnya dari pertanyaan ini? This question gives you an opportunity to show the interviewer what you know about the job and the company. Jadi seberapa kalian paham, seberapa kalian tahu pekerjaan yang kalian pilih ini, dan seberapa kalian tahu tentang company-nya. So take time beforehand to truly research the company, its product, services, culture, and mission. Jadi kalian harus tahu itu. Karena di sini sebenarnya yang mereka ingin ketahui itulah what do you know about the job and the company? Next question is, what is your greatest strength? Nah, di sini apa maksud pertanyaan, what is your greatest strength? Apa sih kekuatan kalian? So, di sini kalian harus menyebutkan kelebihan kalian. Ya, when you are answering this question, remember to show rather than tell. Jadi, lebih banyak show rather than tell daripada tell, ya. For example, rather than studying that you are excellent problem solver, instead tell the story. Jadi di sini kalian tidak memberitahu ya, tapi kalian menunjukkan. Nah, bagaimana caranya to show your greatest strength? Caranya itu adalah kalian di sini menceritakan bagaimana kalian misalnya you are an excellent problem solver. Jadi kalian tuh orang yang luar biasa ketika menyelesaikan masalah. So kalian tidak memberikan nasihat saja, tapi kalian show that you have done it. Ya, kalian sudah melakukan ini. Oh, saya sudah pernah solve this problem. Jadi di sini adanya adalah demonstration. Ya, you must demonstrate its demonstration or experience itu dalam bentuk story. Bagaimana ceritanya? Bagaimana kalian bisa menunjukkan kalau you are excellent problem solver. Like that. And what they want to know. Di sini kata kuncinya, this is one of the question that employers almost ask to determine how well you are qualified. Nah, qualified. Jadi bagaimana kalian berkualifikasi atau cocok dalam posisi ini dari kelebihan kalian ini. Dan next, tidak hanya your strength. Tapi di sini ditanyakan juga greatest weakness. Weakness itu apa? Ada yang tahu weakness? Okay. Weakness itu adalah kelemahan ya. This question is an opportunity to show the hiring manager that you are qualified to the job ya. In addition to learning whether you have got the right credential. Okay, what your greatest weakness? Nah, di sini kita bisa lihat what they want to know, kenapa sih mereka menanyakan ini? Apa yang mereka ingin ketahui? Another typical question interview will ask you about your weakness. Do your best frame your answer around positive aspect. Nah, di sini ketika kalian menjawab, walaupun ditanyakan weakness, tapi cari positive aspect of you. Ya, positive thing of you. Ya, so you can turn the weaknesses into the strength. Jadi kalian, walaupun kalian punya kelemahan, tapi kalian can turn it into strength. Bisa merubahnya menjadi kelebihan kalian. And then, why do you want to leave or have loved your job? Jadi di sini kan kalau kalian fresh graduated, baru pertama kali, berarti belum pernah leave the job ya. Nah di sini tambahan tips saja. So, kalau ada pertanyaan seperti ini, ketika nanti kalian sudah pindah dari satu tempat kerja ke tempat kerja yang lain, be prepared with the responses to this question. You'll need to give an answer that harness and reflects your specific circumstance. Jadi di sini pertanyaan bagaimana kalau menjawab ini? Itu adalah jawaban yang jujur ya. Jawaban yang jujur. Itu yang diperlukan ketika pertanyaan why do you want to leave your job or why you have left your job. Bagaimana, kenapa kamu dulu meninggalkan pekerjaan kamu. What they want to know here, the interviewer want to know why you left your job. Jadi ini to the point ya, sesuai dengan poinnya. Interviewer ini pengen mengetahui kenapa kalian pergi dari pekerjaan sebelumnya. And then, what are your salary expectation? Nah, di sini banyak ya yang bingung pertanyaannya. What are your salary expectation? Jadi bagaimana kira-kira gaji yang kalian harapkan seperti apa? Itu pertanyaannya. What are you looking for in term of salary? Question about money are always tricky. Nah, ini adalah salah satu pertanyaan yang tricky. You don't want to sell yourself short or price yourself out of a job. Out of a job offer, employer can ask how much you earned and previous job in some location. Jadi sebenarnya mereka tidak ingin kalian sell yourself, but mereka pengen tahu kira-kira di tempat kerja yang dulu tuh seberapa sih you can get or you get paid di sini. What they want to know sebenarnya, the hiring manager want to know what you expect to earn ya. Jadi mereka pengen tahu kira-kira bayangan kalian tuh untuk gaji kalian di sini berapa. Like that. And then how do you handle stress and pressure? Stress and pressure. Sometimes in your job you will feeling stress and pressure ya. Kadang-kadang kalian akan menemukan tekanan dan juga stres di sini. So di sini salah satu pertanyaan yang akan muncul, how do you handle your stress? Do you work well in high stress situation? Like that. Itu pertanyaan yang muncul. Do you thrive or pressure? Or would you prefer a more low-key job? Or what do you want? Something goes wrong. Nah, itu contoh pertanyaannya. And then the best to respond this question is to share an example. Jadi kalian tidak hanya mengatakan tell someone something, you must share an example. Jadi silakan sharing contohnya bagaimana ketika kalian handle your stress and pressure and how you have successful to handle the stress. Jadi usahakan di sana kalian menceritakan sesuatu ketika kalian bisa can handle it. Ya, you can finish it. And then what they want to know? Apa yang sebenarnya mereka ingin ketahui? What do you do when things don't go smoothly at work? Of course ya, dalam pekerjaan tidak selalu semuanya mulus. Jadi mereka pengen tahu, bagaimana atau apa yang akan kalian lakukan? Bagaimana penyelesaian kalian ketika kalian menemukan hal seperti itu? And then describe a difficult work situation or project and how you handle it. Describe a difficult work situation. Di sini kan harus mendeskripsikan difficult work situation. Kenapa? Untuk menunjukkan you can do it. Your strength is this. Jadi seperti itu. or project. Jadi kalau kalian pernah melakukan project, itu bisa to be your strength ya. And how you handle it. Ya, bagaimana cara kalian menghandle itu akan dilihat si interviewer. There isn't a right or wrong answer to this question. Yeah, about handling a difficult situation. How you which will show the hiring manager your work style and how you manage issues. It will help determine if you mess with the company. Jadi di sini pertanyaan ini bisa menambahkan seperti yang saya bilang tadi. Ini bisa menjadi your strengths. Ya, kelebihan kalian apa? What they want to know. Okay, the interviewer want to know how you respond when faced with a difficult decision. Bagaimana kira-kira respon kalian ketika kalian dihadapkan dengan difficult decision, keputusan yang sulit, ya. Ini sama mungkin mirip dengan the question about stress and also pressure tadi. Alright, next, what are your goals for the future? Nah, di sini ini salah satu pertanyaan penting ya. Are you job hopper or do you have plan on staying with the company? Oke, jadi di sini akan ada pertanyaan, apakah kalian akan next punya goal lain atau kalian still stay in that company? Ya, at least for a while ya. Untuk seberapa lama kira-kira kalian akan di tempat itu? Do your plan for the future match the career path for someone typical hired for this position? Jadi seperti itu. Do your plan, apakah nanti rencana kalian untuk in the future? Kira-kira kalian mau punya goals yang berbeda, yang lebih dari itu, atau kalian akan tetap di sana? What they want to know, this question is designed to find if you are going to stick around or move as soon as possible. Kira-kira di sini mereka ingin mengetahui kalian itu mau tetap di sini atau pengen cepat hanya sebagai batu loncatan like that. Okay, that's the last one. Do you have any question? Silahkan yang ada pertanyaan. Okay. If no question, I will ask you some question. Jadi turn on your camera, please. Karena di sini ketika while I explain to you, all of you, turn off the camera. So if you have any question, please you can ask. Do you have any question? You can raise your hand. If there is question, sudah? Okay. If no question, you can raise your hand. Kalau tidak ada pertanyaan, boleh diangkat tangannya. Ada? Okay. Tidak ada, no respond. So I would like to ask you, okay, to make sure that you listen to me. Ya. Jadi saya mau meyakinkan kalian, dengar nggak apa yang saya sudah jelaskan tadi? Alright. Ada yang mau? If I ask you question, okay. Alright, I would like to ask you Bella. Please unmute Bella. Yeah, thank you Bella. How are you today?
I'm really great today. How about you, Miss?
I'm great, thank you. Right, so you have listened what I have explained, yeah. So
Yes,
in your opinion, which is the most tricky question? So you must prepare it in the job interview.
most tricky question is when I must to tell about my greatest weakness.
Your greatest weakness. So can you imagine how to answer it?
Actually, I've been raised my hand before, but maybe you're not see it. I want to tell you about this question. How can I tell about my greatest weakness when I got my job interview?
All right. Do you want to share it now?
I can't imagine it.
All right.
Because
So
I think
I would
it's
like
really hard.
Okay, so when the people or the interviewer asks to you about your weakness, what should you do? Di sini yang harus kamu lakukan adalah first, kalian harus show the story, I mean the experience. Kalian harus menunjukkan experience mana, di mana ketika kalian mempunyai kelemahan. For example, you couldn't come on time, misalnya seperti itu. Kamu tidak bisa datang tepat waktu, for example like that ya. Kenapa? Karena misal tempatnya jauh. That's your weakness kan? That's your weakness for this company. Di sini yang kalian lakukan adalah kalian bilang weakness-nya kalian itu, tapi kalian bilang juga saya sebelum datang ke sini I prepare it an hour before, misalnya seperti itu. Kalian harus ceritakan kalau kalian bisa menanggulangi your weakness like that.
Alright.
Itu yang sederhana, tapi jarang sih ya seperti itu case-nya. Mungkin weakness-nya like I'm not confident, ya. Saya bukan orang yang percaya diri, but I try to be confident now. Dengan cara apa? Jadi itu cara kamu menjelaskan your weakness. Tidak dijelaskan saya tidak confident, I'm not confident, dan seperti itu saja. Jadi tidak ada keinginan kamu untuk change in, ya.
Alright.
Seperti itu. So Bella,
yes.
do you want to tell me your experience? Yeah. Could you tell me your experience? If I ask you about your experience here, in the second question, in the first question, the question is tell me about yourself. One of the question is about your experience. So you must show your experience here. Can you tell me what experience that you want to show or you want to tell to the interviewer? Do your job interview.
My experience is when kan sebelum on the job training tuh ada interview.
Yeah, please.
And then my experience there is not really good because the interviewer asked me and my friend about the company, but I couldn't prepare myself. I'm not prepare myself about the company. I'm not sure at internet, so it's not really good. And the interviewer asked me about I'm still confused about it.
Okay. So that's to be your experience because the experience is best teacher, yeah. So after this, you can start about the company before you start your job interview in the next, yeah. All right. Thank you very much, Bella. Have a nice day.
Yes, you too. Thank you.
Yeah. So another one. We still have time. Okay. Masih punya waktu kita? Belum ya? Sudah ya. Ada yang lain yang mau bertanya atau yang mau saya tanyakan? Okay, if no one, I think our time is up. So I would like to share this topic ya. Saya juga share ini topik ini nanti dan juga and also the video ya. Videonya juga saya akan share dan beberapa tips to do job interview ya, to prepare yourself for the next ya. For next future-nya kalian. Alright, if no question, I think I would like to close our class for today. Alright, thank you for the attention. And then to close this class, so I would, let's say Parama Santi, Om Santi, Santi, Santi. Okay, goodbye and see you and have a nice day all.